Well, winter has arrived in North Idaho, and we have a little bit of snow on the ground, not too much. The worst part is we had a big windstorm a couple days ago, knocked down a pretty significant tree. It's a red fir, I believe, right in our garden. We just planted about 600 peonies. I don't know if you can see the beds. And right over there, that tree fell down, narrowly missed our new bed. So today, I'm gonna try and cut it up. I'm in lumberjack mode. I got my chainsaw. I got my brand new chainsaw chaps. And we're gonna check out this tree. And we're gonna see if we can at least cut it up, limb it first, get it cut up into maybe 10-foot sections, use the tractor or the forks on the tractor and move it somewhere else, out of the way, till I can cut it up for firewood. It's a big one though. Kind of sad, really like that tree. This was the one we wanted to keep. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna get my gear ready to go. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is try and separate the tree from the root ball here. Now I'm just gonna work my way down and start limbing all the branches off. Okay, so the tree's limbed. I'm gonna lower the forks a little bit, take a little pressure off, keep it off the ground just a bit, see if I can run my chainsaw without hitting the ground, and I don't know, cut it in 10-foot sections or so, and then move it over to the wood stack and be good to go. Got the wood dropped off at the wood pile. So now, before I call it a day, I got to get this root ball out of here. I think what I'll do is maybe take another couple feet off that stump, lighten it up a little bit. I think that's still good firewood, so let's get after it. So here's the plan. Got the chain around the root ball pretty good, around one of the big roots. I don't think it's gonna slip off. So I'm thinking we run this around this guy here, tie it off with this lock. I don't know if this is gonna work. Here we go. Hope that chain didn't come off and hit me. All right, here we go. As you can probably tell, this was not working. The roots were just too deep, too big, it just wasn't letting go. So I decided brute force with the forks was going to be a better approach. And yeah, seemed to work out okay. I was able to get it up out of the ground and onto the forks. Where once there was a tree on the ground, now there's a tractor, but there's no tree. I got it. Got the root ball out. That was cool. And I did not hurt or touch the peony bed right next to it. So, good job.